Ever open a website and a video start playing by itself with sound? Let's stop that. With a Samsung Internet app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can easily control whether video plays automatically or not. It's perfect for saving data and avoiding awkward moments in public. To do so, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Useful Features. Now, turn Allow Autoplay videos off to prevent videos from starting automatically. However, you can turn it on again later if you prefer videos to play automatically. So, if you often browse in quiet places like during meeting or in a bed, turning this option off keeps your browsing silent and distraction-free. And that's how to control video autoplay in Samsung Internet. It's a small tweak that will make your browsing experience smoother and quieter. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.